quick oil change. Make sure your vehicle been sitting for a minute because you do not want to burn yourself. Make sure you jack the vehicle properly because you really can injure yourself if the jack slip. Jack the vehicle at your manufacturer's designated jacking point. Make sure you put your brake on, your emergency brake, so the vehicle won't slide, reduces the chances of you injuring yourself. Now, loosen your bolt. Make sure you don't strip it. And make sure it's not hot, because you will burn yourself. And make sure that the pan that you're using to collect the oil there's nothing wrong with it. Mine's had a hole in it, and I had a mess to clean up. Put your filter back on. Make sure it's tight. Tighten your bolt. Don't tighten it too tight so you won't strip it. GM changed the oil from OW20 to OW40. It's a fix for the recalls and the engine malfunctions.